Mazda's new flagship model is called CX-60, and as expected, it's got the all-new interior with modern, clean design and top quality of materials. The white instrument panel features continuous lines which run through the side air vents into the door trim, reinforcing the spaciousness of the interior. The driver's cockpit area features three main instrument cluster displays: a driver's digital cockpit, a large window head-up display, and a 12.3-inch infotainment central display. Command controller knob is here to easily control the functions within the infotainment system. White ambient lighting on the front and rear door brings out the best of color and texture of the interior finishes. Including the underfloor storage, the Mazda CX-60 offers 570 liters of boot space, increasing to 1,148 liters with the rear seats folded, and 1,726 liters when loaded to the ceiling. The usability of the cargo area has been greatly improved over that on the CX-5. The width of the tailgate opening has been increased. It is 35 millimeters wider, and the height of the opening is 758 millimeters. Those who love good sound can opt for the 12-speaker Bose sound system, and overall, this is really a nice place to be. Tell me in the comments, how do you like this all-new Mazda interior?